Hi everyone, and welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Carrie, and today we're talking about what happens when a parent wants to move away with the kids after a Texas divorce. Whether it's a new job, a family emergency, or just a fresh start, relocation can become a battleground. In most custody orders, there are geographic restrictions in place. That means one parent cannot move the child outside of a designated area, like the county or neighboring counties, without the court's permission or the other parent's consent. Violating this restriction can have serious legal consequences, including contempt of court. If the other parent objects to the move, the relocating parent must prove that the move is in the child's best interest. The court will consider things like the reason for the move, the potential for maintaining the child's relationship with the other parent, and the overall impact on the child's stability and well-being. Texas judges don't take relocation lightly. Moving a child away from their other parent often means less contact, lost time, and more conflict. Unless there's a compelling reason like safety, a major educational benefit, or an unavoidable family need, relocation requests can be hard to win. If you're the parent objecting to the move, you have legal options too. You can file to modify custody or even seek primary conservatorship if the proposed relocation isn't in your child's best interest. These cases often come down to detailed evidence and strong legal arguments. Preparing for a relocation battle means gathering school records, proof of job opportunities, health care access, and a parenting plan that preserves the child's relationship with both parents. Without solid planning, your request or opposition may fall short. Whether you're planning a move or trying to stop one, don't wait until you're in crisis mode. Schedule your free 30-minute consultation with the Law Office of Bryan Fagan today. Will help you protect your parenting rights and your child's future. See you in the next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.